So here we have someone rocking beautiful red colored hair. The stylist is adding in some bangs. As you guys know, red hair in itself is a very popular hair trend, but I am loving this like mullet style that the stylist did. This is absolutely gorgeous. Love the bangs, definitely has like a nice shaggy mullet feel. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more trendy hairstyle ideas. So if you've been dreaming of some new ways you can rock your trends, this video is for you. So here we have someone who has decided to cut their hair into this beautiful curly pixie style. Oh, this looks absolutely stunning. And we're seeing a lot more women rock their natural curls in the form of a pixie or tapered cut. Very nice transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hot hair ideas, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this beautiful pixie transformation. Absolutely gorgeous. Her hair looks so thick and full with this cut. The bangs just frame out her face nicely. And then we see someone rocking the buzz cut trend. Next up, we see someone with pink hair. So it looks like she might also be trying the buzz cut trend as well. Oh wow, I really like her earrings with the cuts. So cute. I like her overall style. The jumpsuit, makeup, everything. So next up we do have a pixie faded cut. Now we are seeing a lot of hair fades as well. Oh wow. So now that she is turning to the side, it almost looks like a bit of a mullet style here. So next up we have this beautiful lavender pixie. Beautiful asymmetrical shape, lots of texture with the cutting, lots of height and volume there in the crown. And then we have a big chop transformation. Wow, she has a lot of hair. Looks like there's a pop of blonde going there in the bang area within this pixie. And then we have another pixie here. Gorgeous, beautiful pixie faded cut. And then we see someone with long hair. Oh, wow. Look at the thickness of her hair. Absolutely gorgeous. Her hair is just so thick and full. Then we have someone rocking like the dark copper color trend here. Looks like she's also getting like a shoulder length bob. Beautiful. And her hair is also very thick and full, lots of body and movement. And then we have someone who is also wearing a bob. Gorgeous side swept bangs, lots of height and volume in the crown. And then here we have another gorgeous shoulder length bob style. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hot hair ideas within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.